Marcel Breuer began his work on Meister Hall, previously named Tech 2, in the early 60s to replace the engineering building at NYU. The front structure, completed in 1964, is supported by a series of Y-shaped columns located in the front of the building that holds up a horizontal volume that houses classrooms, laboratories, and research facilities. Below this area is an outdoor seating area for the students. The horizontal volume on top of the columns implements the use of large prefabricated concrete panels on its facade. Each of these panels, supported by the Y-shaped columns, weighs 11 tons, and together they form a load-bearing wall structural system. This structural design was the first of its kind in New York City. The concrete panels create a self-supporting frame around the perimeter of the building, eliminating the need for an extra support system. Beams span from one side of the facade to the other, holding the girders that support the floor slabs. There is a central core of vertical circulation that supports itself and that could have a potential structural role in the future addition. There is a larger building in the back that is part of Meister Hall. The two are joined together by a concrete volume of vertical circulation that is located between the buildings. This component slightly enters our designated site and could also play an important structural role in the addition. This structural design of thick components at the base supporting a load-bearing modular facade can also be seen in the Robert C. Weaver Federal Building, also designed by Marcel Breuer. Built from 1965 to 1968, this building showcases the same primary building elements that are seen in Meister Hall. The use of the Y-shaped columns at the base of the building and the large prefabricated concrete panels on the facade of the building are very reminiscent of Breuer's previous work. In both cases, Breuer uses these columns as stilts to lift the building up, creating a unique void underneath. Studying this similar but heavier building might also help us adapt the original structure of Meister Hall to bear the weight of the future addition.